What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a question. Are you looking to make money online without having to put in all the hard work of setting up your own campaigns? If so, I've got something really exciting to tell you about in my review of Expansion. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and as regular viewers of the channel know, I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to go ahead and skip ahead. I realize that my jokes can be kind of stale, just like the day bread at Walmart. Yeah, seriously, I love Walmart. It's a great place. Anyway, though, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products that make money in their online niche. And why do I do that? You may ask. Well, the reason is quite simple: because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Do you know that Bart does that every day? Seriously, regular viewers of the channel know about this. But maybe if you're new, you might not know. He does it all the time. He's so annoying. I can't stand it anymore. Bart, enough. Always complains. Always. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give you a tip in my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart. She's the same thing every day, but I love her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Expansion. This is from my friend Dawood Islam and his partner Al Cheeseman. What is Expansion all about?
Previously on The Expanse.
No, this was never on The Expanse. This is Expansion, not The Expanse. Pay attention. Anyway, it says here $26.22 every 60 minutes. Okay, and it seems like they're probably going to have some proof over here. Let me take a look and scroll down real quick and just see if they're going to have some screenshots. Now, I'm not a big fan of these types of income claims, and I'll explain why I don't like them. Okay, let's see. I don't actually see any proof shots over here. Interesting. They usually have proof shots, but the income claim, $26.22 every 60 seconds. These are claims that I'm not a big fan of, and I'll explain why I don't like those things. Oh, here it is. Here you go. So things like this, here's my problem. Both Wood and Al are relatively big names in the make money online niche. They're not necessarily the biggest names in the industry, but they're pretty big names in the industry. They're definitely on par with me. And I know that I have an email list. I have a following. Okay, I have over 1,000 followers on my YouTube channel. I have several thousand people on my email list. So I know that when I do a mailing for a product, it's likely I'm going to get some sales coming in. And why is that? Well, it's because I do have a following. People know me. People trust me. And so if I'm going to review something, and if I say that this is good, and I only review stuff that I like, it's extremely rare that I'll put up a negative review. So I know that I'm going to make sales that somebody who's a brand new may not make the same number of sales that I'm going to make just because of the fact that they don't have a following yet. And that's always an issue. So when I see these kinds of numbers, this proof shot or right up here at the beginning where it says $26.22 every 60 minutes. Okay, maybe it does make them that much. It's not going to make you that much. That doesn't mean it won't work. I'm not going to say it's not going to work. I'm just saying that you have to be more realistic about your expectations. Expect that if you put in the effort to make this thing work, you're going to see several $100s a month probably to start. Okay, within a month or 2 months, you could see several $100s a month. You're not going to see thousands upon thousands of dollars coming in. You're not going to make $26 every 16 minutes. It doesn't happen instantly because it does take time to build your reputation up as somebody that people can trust. And obviously, you do need to have good bonuses. And speaking of bonuses, I do have some really good bonuses. Basically, I'm going to show you in the members area in just a minute how expansion actually works. It's a very, very easy system to use, but you're going to need some good bonuses. And I'm going to give you a really, really big leg up that nobody else is going to offer you. So first and foremost, in order to use expansion properly, what you really need to do in order to make it work is that you need to have traffic. So I'm going to give you 7 of my best traffic courses. They're going to teach you how to drive traffic to your offers. Okay, because if you don't have traffic, it won't help you that you have a great offer. And they have some great offers. They have some great funnels all set up for you, but it's not going to help you with that. You're going to need to drive some traffic to the offers. That's number 1. Number 2, you're going to need a really good bonus to give away because, frankly, most people are not going to have good bonuses. They're going to have junky bonuses. Okay, so what I'm going to give you is actually going to be my own white collar PLR SE, which is the special edition of my white collar PLR product. This comes with a video course on sales techniques that you can actually give away. And this is not your average course that you're going to see. See, PLR stands for private label rights, which basically means that you're allowed to rebrand it and sell it as if it's your own, or give it away as if it's your own. And that's what you're going to get with my white collar PLR SE. You're going to get the right to give away my course on sales techniques as if it was your own. So you can actually claim it's your own, put your name on it, put your logo on it, and actually give it away as your own. But this is nothing like your typical PLR. A typical PLR is usually junk. Okay, what I'm giving you with this thing is premium stuff. Okay, it uses a talking head presenter who has a background behind him, a moving background behind him, so it looks very, very professional. It's got sound effects. It's got a soft music background. It uses live action video clips for the entire presentation. So it really looks like something that was done by a professional studio, as opposed to, well, something that you made in your basement and that nobody really cares about. This is something that people would actually be very impressed to get as a bonus when you're going to sell something like this. And it's something that would work for all of the products that you're going to get inside of expansion. So you're going to get those get that set plus 7 of my best traffic courses included when you pick up expansion from me. And that's nobody else is going to give that to you. Seriously, nobody else is going to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick and just see how this all works. It's actually really, really easy. Basically, you're going to get these 3 things, magnetic, hypnotic, and infinity, which are from Al. All you're going to do is you're going to click get affiliate link over here. You'll be automatically approved to get it as long as you're a customer of expansion. You're going to get your affiliate link and click add affiliate link, and then basically add a bonus link, which is going to be the bonus you can give away my white collar PLR sales techniques course. You can give that away as your own. You can rebrand it with your own label and put your own name on it and stuff if you want to do that as well. Okay, and you'll have that available. That nobody's going to be able to offer that, which is a huge, huge deal. Okay, once you have that, basically all you're going to do is drive traffic to the funnel, and everything is set up for you already. So basically, you're going to be able to collect leads inside the system. You can see here, these are just dummy leads, obviously, like ABC at Gmail, ABX. These are dummy. They're not real. So, you can copy these if you want, but it's not going to do any good. It's going to be a waste of time. But the idea is basically that you can go ahead and add in leads, and actually it'll collect leads for you automatically as people are coming to your offer. And then basically you're going to go ahead and start making money off of them. It's very, very simple, very easy to do. There's nothing really to do here, because basically you're just going to click here, make a campaign, and the campaigns are all done for you actually as well. So they actually come with emails and everything ready to go. So everything is ready to roll for you. The only thing you're going to need is obviously to have your bonus, which you're getting from me. You're getting the bonus of my white collar PLR SE, which nobody else is going to give you that. Seriously, just nobody else is going to do that for you. You're going to get it from me 100% for free. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and wait for the software. My internet has been really slow for some reason. You'd think that now that the lockdown is starting to end, that it wouldn't be so slow, but it's actually gotten slower since the lockdown ended. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so let's go ahead and see if I can give the tip my as a product creator or not. It is a nice piece of software. It's done well. The price is very reasonable. It's like I think about $15 or $16, which is a very, very reasonable price. It's a good product. It'll get the job done for you. It's going to make you money. Now, the reason I'm not like super exuberant excited about it is only because of the fact that I'm not a big fan of the income claim that is based on them, on Al and Dawood having a following already. And as a newbie, you're not going to have a following, so you're not going to make the same kind of money they're making. Okay. Now, to be fair, they write that makes us $26 every 60 minutes. Doesn't say that you're necessarily going to be able to do the same thing. Okay. So, to be fair, at least they're not making the outright claim that you will be able to do that. And I can tell you, if you implement this, especially if you use some of my traffic methods, you can start seeing several $100s a month, and it can build up to the point where you're going to get to $26 every 60 minutes, and even more than that every 60 minutes. You can definitely get to that point. There's no question in my mind you can do that. The only thing is that I want you to be realistic and realize that you're not going to push a couple of buttons and start seeing thousands of dollars every month. You're going to put in some work. You're going to use my traffic methods that I'm going to give you in my bonus. You're going to use my bonus of white collar PLR my white collar PLR bonus. You're going to use that, and at first you'll see a couple $100s, and it'll keep expanding little by little as it goes. As you get bigger, as your list gets bigger, you're going to see that your sales numbers are going to keep growing every single month, and it does snowball to the point where you're making a full-time living. But it will take a bit of time. It's not going to be instant. That's going to be you're going to push a couple buttons, and then 60 seconds later, you're going to be making $26 an hour every hour. That's not going to happen right away. So I want you to be realistic. But other than that, really nice piece of software. Very, very pleased with it. Very excited about it. Definitely pick it up. Just be realistic with your expectations, and it's going to be great.